In this session, we are going to discuss how to handle drop-down in Cypress. So in Cypress, we have a select method to work or handle the drop-downs. The syntax of select is select. We can pass the text, we can pass the values, we can pass the multiple values, and we can pass the multiple values plus options also. So now, for example, if you want to select any value from the drop down, you can use the function cy.get to find the, you can say that drop down field, and then you can select and you can pass the desired text here. Like you can say we have passed India here. Now we can see that one by one we will see the practical. So first thing is that select the option with the text. Select the option with the text. So what we are going to do for that purpose, I have this my sample page and it has this marital status drop down. So we are going to select some value. For example, I want to select the married here. So how we can select it? So for that purpose, I will use the inspect locator of the Cypress, and then I will click on this drop down. So now I click on this. So I got the code to, or you can say CSS locator for the this drop down. Let me copy it here. Now let me go to the code, and in the code, I'm going to paste it. Yeah. So now here I'm just giving the 2-second wait so that you can see the proper execution on your screen. So I have just, you can say, given the drop down locator here. Now I can call the function select here. Now in select function, SEL, now in the select function, the first thing I told you, we can choose the value on the basis of text. So now if we want to select the value like married, so we have to select the text. So I'll do one thing. I will copy the text from directly from the here. Okay. Or we can write it also. We can do both the things. So now this is second option, and you can say this is second option, and this is the text. So now let me copy the text here, and now we can pass this text in my this function. And now let me save it. And now just see the, you can say, execution. It is loading, and now it will go, and you can say now the unmarried is going to be changed to married. So it means it is working fine. So we can you can say select any option from the drop down on the base of text also. Now second option we have, if you want, we can select any option on the basis of or with the help of value also. For example, if you will see that I can select the married by passing the value 2 also. So how we can do it? Simply in case of value, simply in the single quotes you have to pass the value like I've given 2 here. Now let me save it. So now again my instance is running again, and now you can say yeah, it is changed to married here. So it means on the base of value, it is also working fine. Now, the third option is that select the option with the index. This option is not advisable. This is not recommended, but I want to show you that if you want to use it, how you can use it. In that case, you can pass the index also. Index start from, like, you can say first option is 0, then 1, then 2, and then 3. So if you want to select the, you can say option married. So for the married, the index will be, because it is on second number, so index will be 1 here. So I will go here, and for the index in the select function, I will not do any single code. I will simply pass, you can say 1 here, and now let me save it. So now the execution is running, and here you can say, yeah, it had selected the married option also. Now here we can see that we can select any value from the drop down, and we have, you can say, different type options on the value, on the text, on the, and you can say on the index. Now we'll see that sometime you will see that in your application you are able to see the you can say list box that is similar to, you can say, drop down, but in the list box we have an option that we can select multiple values. So for example, let me show here. If we want to select, you can say intermediate, we can select it, and let me click on the graduate also. So with the help of control, you can select the multiple options here. So this is called list box. So to handle the list box also, we also use the same function that is called select. Only what we have to do, if you want to select multiple values, then in that case, in the select, you have to make a square bracket, and within the single quotes, you can put your desired values and it will select. So now let's see the practical value here. So for that purpose, first of all, I will go here and I will locate the, you can say, this list box. Let me select it, this list box. Yeah. So this is the locator of the list box that is called education. Let me copy from here. Now let me go to the code here. And now again, I will simply paste the code here. Okay. Now dot, and we are going to use the function select here. In the select function, I told you if you want to select 2 values, 3 values, whatever you values want to select, just simply make a, you can say square bracket, and then you can make a single quotes. Let me make comma, and two single quotes there. Okay. Now I can select the pass the value, whatever I want to select. So I will do one thing. Let me first of all inspect it from here so that I can select the value. So I will select one value that is intermediate, copy intermediate from here, go to here, and in the first single quote, I have passed the intermediate. Now go to the, you can say second one. And if I want to select, suppose take this example, postgraduate. So let me copy postgraduate here. Let me go to the code and I can paste it post. Now you'll see that this code will find the education, which is you can say list box, and will select these two values. Let me save it, and now the execution is running. So now you can see that, oh, my execution is running, and now you can say that intermediate and postgraduate are selected. So in this way, you have seen that what we learned that how we can handle the, you can say drop down, how we can handle the, you can say list box also. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment of this video. You can click on the like button if you really liked it. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.